Hey everyone, Brandon here. Just wanted to touch base with everybody because, as most of you know, I've been spending many years playing in the LED creation world. And recently I've been working with both Fuse 33 and a company known as Bekonix, so working on a new controller that actually makes making cool light stuff a lot easier and accessible to everybody. I plan on to spend a little bit of time over the next couple of weeks actually creating instructional videos around how this software works, just to make it a little bit easier for other people to get into it and be able to start creating your own projects. It's kind of cool when you can start getting into something that requires no programming knowledge at all and be able to create things that even would make be really difficult for even programmers to build. So some of the controllers we've actually worked with before, we were originally working with the Rocket Life ones like this, as well as these are kind of our newer ones that we're actually working with. We're in the middle of actually prototyping a new smaller one for the purposes of mostly for like wearables. So it's part of with make fashion and stuff like that. So being able to create clothing outfits and stuff like that that work really cool with it. So basically how this stuff works is I'll take you over to the software here and actually give you a show here, see kind of what's going on. So this is kind of the Bekonix platform that they work with then. And so this allows us to basically work with more of a like a video timeline system for being able to create cool LED shows and stuff like that, that we can connect to whatever we want. So kind of a quick look. So this is just kind of your main place when you first come into with your different projects and stuff that you've got going on. And you can kind of open it up and see how it all works. So the cool thing is there's three major components to this. There's your components, your control, and your widget. So the components, what this basically does is it allows you to basically take a picture of whatever your projects are, and you can literally map out where every single LED is in the entire thing, so that it knows where it is in space and time at all times, so that it can actually program and set the controller based on that information. So this will take everything from setting up where your LEDs are, where your controllers are, as well as inputs. So you can actually use buttons and sensors and cool things like that, to basically control the lights and create separate triggers and stuff like that. So from here, we actually go into our control section, all right? And so this is where we'll actually do a lot of our mapping and stuff like that. And as you can kind of see here on the bottom, I'm just going to bring it up a little bit more there so you can see it. On the bottom here, you can kind of see how we have all kinds of different just LED patterns that we put into it then basically that it's able to play out and create those effects. Now, the cool thing with this, like I was saying before, is you'll actually see it in time and space. So if you want to play it left to right, right to left, it'll actually do a lot of those kind of things as well. And the cool thing is you can actually, through this widget section, I haven't played much with this one yet. I'm going to be getting more into it, but you can actually create your own widgets so that when you load this up on your cell phone, you can actually control it and everything like that from your phone however you want it to. So not some other software provider says work it this way. No, you say I want mine to look like this, whatever graphics I want, whatever buttons and sliders and stuff like that, and you decide what that is. The cool thing is that'll allow you to do triggers to jump around in your timelines and stuff like that. So let's check this out a little bit. So we're going to go just jump back over here to our projects here, and let's take a look at what this looks like when it's actually put into application. All right, and go. Is it gonna go? Oh, yeah, let's just do it this way, actually. There we go. So as you can see, it knows where everything is in space and time between all of my different art pieces that I have here, and it'll play all of those patterns through everything. So whether you want to go, off of an X coordinate, Y coordinate, radial, or you just want to go sequentially through everything, it's able to do all of that. So it really makes it super easy to basically be able to interact with this and create whatever you want to do with it in the way that you want to do it. So like I said, I'm going to be spending a lot more time getting into the details of it and everything like that, but I wanted to just take a moment to actually get into showing this so you guys can see what kind of power this thing has, and see if it's something that you'd be interested in playing with in the future. I will be including my Willow link below, which will connect you to all of my stuff. So my YouTubes and Instagrams and Facebooks and stuff like that. So you can follow along a lot more with what's going on. And at any time, if you guys are interested in getting more into this stuff and want to ask any questions, please feel free to get a hold of me. I'm really looking forward to sharing this technology with a lot more people so that we can really start seeing a lot cooler stuff being created out there in the art community, as we're starting to merge more science, art, and technology together, and creating things that allow us to express ourselves the way that we want to express ourselves. So thanks for checking this out, you guys. I look forward to sharing more with you in the future. And like I said, give me a follow there, and looking forward to touching more soon in the future. You guys have yourselves a great day.